Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Transformers Power of the Primes Alpha Trion. So we get the little Prime Master, which looks just like a Headmaster, but in Power of the Primes they're a Prime Master. This is what it looks like. Which is kind of cool, you get to see kind of what it looks like there. And this is the decoy armor, which was called something else. Some other type of armor. But it's kind of cool that it also forms kind of like a target master. And yes, well affected, there's the Transformers Generations thing made by Hasbro. And then on the back, yeah, they call it decoy armor in this series. I think in the original one they call it something else. I believe this came out with Transformers Victory, if I'm not mistaken. It's true I can't recall what series of Transformers it was, but it was from the Japanese lineup. So it wasn't any that we had here in America. Maybe we had like the toys in America, but not the TV show. What this one came from. And it came out a little bit in comic books. But yeah, we kind of see what Alpha Trion looks like as its prime core. Then we have Landmine, which is the decoy disguised body. And then it tells us a little bit about Alchemist Prime. Alchemist Prime. Mysterious scientist. Okay. Alpha Trion. Infinite knowledge. Cool. So it's a smarty pants know-it-all. The other one's just like, ooh, it's a scientist. Well, yeah, I think we kind of got that idea of what it is. So yeah, let's open it up and take a look at it. Wow, they use a lot of tape on this one. There you go, sliding it out. So here's kind of what we get. Prime armor, a prime core, and a little weapon. So let's take a look at our little fella right here. I have to say it's not too bad. It's paint on his face looks pretty good. It does have little blue eyes, but because of the visor on his head and stuff, you really can't see the eyes that much. And there's what its little prime core will look like. So we'll just fold that up. Prime core. Also, if you want to, you could attach them on like little headmasters, which we'll take later in a second. Here's the decoy armor. Let's flip that in the back there. So this is Landmine. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let's open it up. And actually let's put the little fella in here. Just like that. Close it up. Move the arms up. Take his little weapon and put it in his hand, which kind of blends right in there to his hand. And yay! There's the little decoy armor. Which kind of looks just like this one, which is Metal Hawk. It's actually the same thing. Well, maybe the prime armor and the prime cores are different. But the weapon, the barrel of the weapon, if we compare them side by side, there's actually the same. Only difference is this one's got like a metallic chrome painted on it and a blue tip and little front sight. While this one, unfortunately, is just all this gray color. I would love if the one was like this tone, like, had the barrel still painted like the metallic silver, but then like at the barrel tip right there, of the muzzle, and then the little front sight, have that maybe done in yellow to kind of match it. Because I mean, look, blue was blue. This one, yellow, all gray. Yeah, so pretty much the weapon's exactly the same. If we pop the weapon off and then let's flip its arms back down, open up its little head. Now this one you can actually pop out from the head. I know a lot of people, they said that it's hard to get out. So for like Metal Heart and Skullgrim and Cloudbuster, I usually pick it up from their feet and that gets them out pretty easily. But yeah. So let's go ahead and fold that piece down. Let's attach the weapon to turn it into kind of a target master. Fold that up and just kind of try to slot it on in here. Which this one doesn't really want to stay in there too good. Oh well, push that down. There you go. It is a blaster, which actually in a blaster mode it looks pretty darn good compared to its blaster mode. Let me flip out its head. Which again, this one you want to flip out from the feet first. Let me pop this one in. And there we go. So here is a side-by-side comparison of the two in their weapon mode. Which actually you think this one will look better, but actually that one looks way better in weapon mode. Let's point out the Titan's Return hot rod here and kind of do a weapons comparison here. So Power the Primes weapon versus, not Power the Primes, I mean Titan's Return weapon on Titan's Return fitter versus a Power the Prime weapon. Which I know is Power the Primes, their weapons are a bit tighter on the Titan's Return fitters. So I don't know what it is, but it looks like they're using like maybe a 5.5 to, I wouldn't say a 6mm, but probably a 5.5mm pad that the Power the Primes are using. Because it's really tight, while the other one slots in there a lot easier. Yeah, and what I was talking about the head, that you can kind of use it as a new sub headmaster. Let's kind of pop that in there. And that's how he would look if he wore a Prime Core as a head versus a headmaster that actually has a face on there. So yeah, let's disassemble that. Get that foot all in there just nice and light. So let's open up the instructions. If I could get them to open up. And they kind of tell you like how to use it and activate it, which I just showed you right here. So we really don't need to use the instructions. Because, well, I just showed you how to do it on camera here. Now, this is actually from Wave 2 of the Power the Primes Decoy Armor Prime Master sets. So it's from Wave 2. You can get it on toywiz.com, and if you go to toyhats.com, you could get a sticker sheet. The sticker sheet is for both Alpha Trion / Landmine and for Alchemist Prime / Summon Water. So it's for these two, which are for Wave 2 Power the Primes. So these two Power the Primes Wave 2 characters, you spot a sticker sheet and it gives you the stickers for both of them from toyhats.com. Link to ToyWiz and toyhats.com down below in the description. And don't forget, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment on this video. Alright, thanks, bye.